Hello fellow scratchers, welcome to my channel Science Scratch Tutorials, and this is our second video of our channel. So I have thought to make a series on our platformer. So indeed this is our episode 1 of our platformer. So in this episode 1 we will teach how to make a basic codes, to give basic codes to our platformer scripts. So I have sharing, I make a, if you see, I have made the project as a preview. See, today it will work like this. See, so smoothly it's working. Yeah, I like this. See how it is taking time to stop like this. Yeah, I like this. I like the acceleration and the deceleration and how resistant is here. So, without wasting time, let's scratching it. So I have shared the project on my Scratch website. The link I have given in the description. You can copy from there or copy. So you click on simply the remix of my. You can remix my project or you can use your backpack. So click on the remix. Okay, and name this not the name this the platformer assist part slash episode 1. So first let's delete this one. Now see, I have shared the running sprite that I have also shared in my scrolling back tutorial. I have link I have shared. If you have not seen that video, I have shared the link in the description. You can see the tutorial. Okay, now here I have shared this in my that tutorial, but here I have added some new. I have some added hang, some hit blocks of this, some standing positions like this. That will be you can use in the another episodes. So create with me a new costume and named it as guy. Hashtag player. Sorry, player. Yeah. Okay. And now with the use of the rectangle, yes, give a color to be nice pink color. Yeah. Saturation should be like 66. Now first of all let then zoom it like this and not so much zoom. Yeah, like this, and with the use of the by pressing shift make a perfect square like this. Yes, and make somehow more pressing all, make the side bigger like this. Yeah, and again with the use of the rectangle making tool, make a white this, and today this time we don't need the outline. So again by pressing shift make a perfect square like this, and make it by pressing all duplicate that and make it like and like this. No, then again this, and this time a black for his eyes, and by pressing alt again make like this his eyes. By duplicate this and bring it here. Now make this and this in group and make and this also. Okay, make that where you want to want. Yeah, I like this. I make this in middle. Okay, so first named it as our player, then let's design our label. Some people prefer to use as their label in sprite, and some people prefer to use as the label in vector. So in this episode 1 I will make the label in our stage hashtag backdrop. Okay, but don't worry, I will also teach how to code if we are designing our label in sprite. So today the backdrop. So now let's make a nice pink color like this. So simply you press the color will be here, then again you have done see the same color, but here this time we need some saturation to more like and the like 50. Yeah, then make a rectangle like this Yes, and they have no outline. I make somehow, yeah, I make some stairs with me like this. By pressing or duplicate and make, you can design your level at, you can make a level by also. Then make like this as our testing our jumping. Place here, no, yeah, this, okay. Now before doing, click on this player sprite, and first we will tell when the green flag is clicked, then go to x minus 50 and y 50. Yes, x minus 50 and y 50, so it will come here. Okay, after that, so moving downwards, let's take a forever loop and then change y by -1. Remember, all negative numbers move the change the y to downwards. If you see, you will tell, yeah, it's working, but in scratch it is okay. There are two problems here. First is it don't stop here in our level and it is too slow. So let's fix the speed of display. It will make with me a new variable naming into speed hashtag y for this right only. Then speed hashtag y to 0 and always change speed y by -1 and change y by our speed y. Yeah, now let's see, it is little faster than the first. Yeah, it's working. Now we have to stop it right here. For this, take an if touching color. You are thinking touching color? Don't worry, it is for making the code easier to understand. Now with the user color pickaxe, choose your color. Yeah, and they can repeat until not touching color, then change y by 1. Now if you see how it is working, but see it is not stopping in here. Indeed it is going back to here and then okay, then set, and after this set speed y to 0. Now if you see, yes, working. Celebration, but no celebration. See how it is overlapping this. I don't like the overlapping. So we can fix it by simply by making a custom block naming into fix the overlapping here, and this time run without screen refresh. This is important, then it will don't work. Okay, then place all repeat until in the fix the overlapping custom block and till like here. Now let's try. Yes, congratulations, is this working? Yes, so it's working. Now let's make it to move to jump. If key up arrow key is pressed, then set speed y to a positive number, something like 12. Now let's, yes, working, but the problem is that if I hold a jump key, it is not looking, it is staying there only until it is being 0. It is like a rocket jump. Yes, it is good in the Flappy Bird, but in the platformer this is not good. Okay, so for fixing this, make with me a new variable naming into in year for this right only, then set in year to 0. Yes, wait, okay, here in the forever set in years, not set, change in year by 1, then here set in year to 0. Now if you see, if it's touching the ground, if I space for click, see it is changing and it's when it's touching. So yes, and here add another if in this like this, and here will tell if our in here 3 is in layer is less than 2, then it will do. See, now see, it is jumping one page and not repeating. Yes, we have fixed this. Now for the movement, do same. If key right arrow key is pressed and key left arrow key is pressed, left arrow key is pressed. Yeah. Oh, we have to make a new variable meaning the speed, not speed, sorry, speed hashtag y for this right only. Then first of all set speed hashtag x to 0, and always in this time not set, change speed x to 1.5 and in the left arrow minus 1.5. Now okay, minus 1.5. Yeah, now let's test. Okay, yes, I have to change x by y, now speed y, speed x. Now see, it's working. We move, but see the problem, it is too difficult. Oh man, it's hard to control. We need some friction and resistance with the player. So to making the friction with the ground, we have to tell let's set speed x by our speed x times 0.8. Yeah, see, because it is a number between the 0 and 1. Now if you see, yeah, it's working, but it should make it least to 2 minus 2. Yeah, okay, now it's working. Now the two problems, see how this is gliding, and second problem, if I jump press key, see, so we don't want to be like this. So let's first fix this over this gliding one. So make with me a new custom block naming into move in steps. Okay. With a new numerical input steps and run without screen refresh. Yes, now let's see here, and let's get back this y to here, and we have to also match with our overlapping scripts. Okay, now see, okay, we can change, not without changing the year to here. I want to change in the first over in here to here and make the steps numerically to here. Yes, now take and repeat. So how many number steps we want? Then yes, we need a new variable for our last value, naming the last value for our x and y position, naming into last value for this right only, and set last value to our y position. Yes, then change y by speed y divided by steps, then take an if touching color this, then set y to our last value. Yes, last value. Then after that set speed y to 0. So for testing, let's give a test to 100. Yes, if I jump, wait, okay, sorry, some glitches are happening. Let's run first, let's test by run with the screen refresh. Oh, it will not work. Okay, just can repair. Yeah, now see. Yes. Who is our dash ones? Okay, by mistake I have done. Yeah. Okay, now next step with our duplicate this and place it here and compare with this and this without last value to y position. It needs our x position, changing y, change x by speed x divided by our steps. Then if touching color, set x. So set x to last value, then and place it here. Was not this is a good number of steps, so let's take an add with our apps of our speed x plus our apps of our speed y. Now okay, test. Yay, it's working. Now if I press up, okay, why it upper key not working? Oh yeah, see, this is F2, so it is not working. It is changed x by 1. Then after that, set here after this. If it's touching color, then set in the to 0. Yes. Nice working. See how it is not gliding like this. Yes, I love this. I love this. I love this. Oh, if we see, let's test again. See, yes, it's stopping in edges. I like this. I like. But I have noticed the problem. See, if I press the jump key, it is getting stuck. I've seen a lot of time, so I have no way to fix. Okay. Make in this in here in a if else. Not if else, I'm pressing up. If speed y is less than 0, our speed y is less than 0, it will work. So now if you see, yes, it is not sticking no more. I like this. Now for our this for our speed is -1, we need we can fix it. Okay, and can make it some more smooth. For make with me a new variable naming into gravity. Yes, gravity. And here in the first, set gravity to -1. Then without changing the speed by -1, change speed by our gravity. Yes, so it's working fine. Let's hide all variable reporters. And without finishing our video, let's code our yes, we need, if we add was player speed and jump force, how it is work. Yeah, this will be more frictional. So make with a new variable naming into jump force for all sprites. Then set our jump force to 12, and without setting the speed to 12 to our jump force. Yes, it's happening. And if I change it to 17, and it will a high jump. Yeah, so I want to 13 on. Yes, 13. Hide this variable. Okay, after that I need some acceleration for our speed, naming it speed acceleration for all sprites. Then set our speed acceleration to 1.5. I have done 1.5 again because I have done 2 in the first, then I have changed the 1.5 because 1.5 I think this is the best. Then set to our this, you can change from here. but see, we can't move minus. So without setting to this, we need a minus 0 minus our speed acceleration. Now it will be a negative number if we do yes. So it's working. Yes, we have made a very beautiful platformer in this episode. So today this much only. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and if you are new, please click on the subscribe and the bell button for getting a notification of. So I hope you will like my video. So wait for my next video of episode 2 of platformer. Until bye and have a nice day.